Jai Hind students, this is Vivek Srivastav sir and I am here with the second video of your chapter, and that chapter related to civics. The topic that we are going to discuss today, that is social marginalization of Adivasis and minorities. Okay, in the first video we have seen that what is marginalization, then we understand what is social marginalization, and in this video we are going to understand the conditions of Adivasis and minorities in India. So I hope you all have seen the first video. If you have seen, then you will get all the detailed topics from that video. Now see that video to continue the chapter. If you haven't seen this video, it means the last video, then please go to the first video, then come to this video, you will understand all the topics clearly. Social marginalization of Adivasis. First topic, the tribals in India, we known as Adivasis. India has many tribes that live in the close association with the forest or remote places. It means those live in forest or remote places known as the Adivasis. There are communities, these are communities who do not live in the cities. The word Adivasi refers to the people who are originally inhabited a place. Industries, many Indian states such as Odisha, Karnataka, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh and many more have various tribal inhabitants. Not all tribes in India are similar. There are more than 450 tribes living across the India, and they are all different from each other. It means if we are going to understand how many types of tribes are in India available, so the answer will be more than 450 tribes. Okay. Adivasis have a unique community. Okay, they neither follow any kind of caste system or nor have any popular religion. Many of these tribes are known as worship nature and their ancestors. Some worship the trees, rivers, fires and animals in the form of God. Though they do not follow any religion like Hinduism or Islam, but they have been influenced and even been influencer of the religions in their nearby empires. Some researchers say that some religions like Hinduism derive certain values from Adivasi religion. Okay, so different Adivasis also have their own unique languages that are known to have contributed in many other languages that we speak today, like Bengali, that is derived from Santhali, a language spoken by Santhali tribe. It means the Bengali language, it is derived from Santhali. Adivasi were very good at utilizing the resources of the forest they lived in. Most of their requirements were fulfilled within the natural resources. But soon many resources were found on the land occupied by the tribals, where many industries and companies showed interest in activities like mining and extraction. We will learn about them in the coming sections. So next topic that is related to this video is stereotypes related of Adivasis. Some stereotypes related to Adivasis, like when asked to draw the picture of an Adivasi, we usually have certain features in mind as we relate these features of the Adivasi. You have all draw the diagram, okay, and share your diagrams with me. So due to limited knowledge about the Adivasis and their community, majority of times they are depicted in some stereotype ways. They are usually shown wearing typical animal skin cloth or colorful headgear and dancing around fire. They are known as people that are backward and always fighting newness and changes. They are countryside primitive people. Many people do not realize the Adivasis or the tribals in our countries are much more than what we usually think. So next topic that to be discussed, that is their lives and struggle with development. As I told you, the inhabitants, it means the jungle, the forest, that all were related to the Adivasis, but many industrialists, and when they are going interested in this kind of activities like mining, extracting, they try to go to the forest and they take it in their power. Okay, so like after that, what were their lives and the struggle with their development, we will see. Human civilization work on development. History teaches us how humans have always strived to move ahead of what they already had. Okay, in the hour of development, humans have scarcified various natural areas to make way for industries and provide for the need of increasing population. The forests were cleared very fastly, for that is the problem for that person who live in forest. A number of developments happen due to remarkable discoveries of precious stones, ores and metals like iron. Even today, companies and industrials, it means industries, they look for places from which they can dig or mine precious and imported metal or oils. Such metals and ore are majorly found in the forest lands or the land occupied by the tribals. Many industries and companies try to buy their lands from them in return of money and jobs. Such tribals got or faces problems because they were forced to go out from their native places, and but majority was resistant, as that was not just the land but their home as well. Then there were tribals who got tricked into selling their land by putting thumbprint on the contracts. Okay, the ores, the ones who restricted, were forced to sell their land. They were promised to given jobs and places to stay in cities, but very few were given medical job, while many were left with nothing. These are the problems that were faced by tribals in India. Now the next and the last topic of this chapter will be the conditions of minorities or the social marginalization of the minorities. So the word minorities, what is minority? That is minority are lesser in number than the other communities that take to the rest of the society. It means within a society, if we are comparing to some caste with other caste, and if we are less in numbers with the ratio of others, then they will be known as minorities. Usually the one in the majority shapes the society, takes a dominant position and sometimes creates issues for the communities in minority. They often have a strong hold on the social and cultural platforms in the society. When majority exercised the power against the minorities, then it may result in social marginalization and even towards exploitation. Okay, people belonging to minority community may face issues of being powerless and insecure about the safety of the development of them and their families. That is the reason why at the time of formation of our constitution, the makers kept all these factors and their social, economic and cultural implementation on minorities. Thus, our constitution safeguards them so in any situation they can be exercise their fundamental rights and can act in all forms. The makers of constitution make provisions to safeguard the interest of minorities, but still there are communities that are known as the marginalized community. So students, that is all about the minority and the tribal people are the tribes, the condition of the tribals and the minorities in India. Hence, this video came to the end. We will again meet with some important topics in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Thanks for watching me.